People want to do business with people. They happen to have a car, but at the end of the day, they want to know you.
I really feel like John Hill is a man of integrity.
They want to know you're legit and that you're real about what you're doing.
I don't think I want to take my car anywhere else.
For me, it's been since 1984, I've been on site all the time. You know, this isn't some big corporate group with trying to open a store on every corner they can find a place with people they don't know.
Such a family, personal business.
We love our customers, we treat them like family.
He genuinely cares. We're not just his employees, we're like a family to him.
I just want people to know that we care about our customers. It's not just we're about money or we're about getting the next car.
Man, the customers are everything here.
And a lot of people talk about our fresh baked cookies.
With AutoTrends, I feel like I'm in good hands.